Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the battery and motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. First, make sure your vacuum is unplugged and has no power source connected. This is crucial for your safety. Start by removing the dust canister. Simply press the release button and lift it off. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery compartment. Disconnect the battery by pulling the connector gently. If you find it difficult, use your pliers for a better grip. Now, let's focus on the motor. The motor is typically secured with additional screws. Locate these screws and remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area, as this can affect the performance of your new motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the situation and guide you through the process. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place it into the housing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's fitted snugly and that all connections are secure. Next, reconnect the battery. Ensure the connector clicks into place, indicating a secure connection. Before reassembling the vacuum, it's a good idea to test the new motor and battery. Plug in your vacuum and turn it on briefly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once you've confirmed that everything is working, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press it into place. Replace the screws to secure the cover, ensuring it's tightly fastened. Finally, reattach the dust canister by clicking it back into position. If you need a quote before repair, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you with any questions you may have. And remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced right from your home. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery and motor in your Dyson SV12. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.